Hey, welcome back to another video. So today's video is just going to be a quick one. What we're going to be doing is taking the fuel cap off and doing a quick respray of it. We're going to do it the same colour as the splitter and the side skirts, so I'll show you how to take this off. It's very simple, it literally takes 20 seconds to do. You can either replace it with a new one, or you can get it hydro dipped, or you can plasti dip it like I'm going to be doing. So as I was saying, this is the inside of the fuel cap. This is where the flathead is. Come on, camera focus. So that's where the little clip is, and obviously you need to get a flathead screwdriver. I've already tried this before, so you have to bear with me in the wind, as I was saying. So literally simple as put the screwdriver in. Why is this not going to focus? Lift it up basically, and what that's going to do is you can see that's going to pull the clip out. And then what you're going to want to do is turn this part anti-clockwise. So I'm going to try and get you in a position where you can see both. That's not going to work, bear with me. So as I was saying, this blooming wind's awful. So obviously with that little clip in there, been pried out, it's just as simple as twist it anti-clockwise and pull it off. You can do what you like, you can buy a new one, you can respray it, obviously get it vinyl wrapped or whatever. But what I'm doing is I'm just showing you this purely for a video today. I will be spraying it in the near future, but I've run out of pure black plasti dip, and I will be doing it when I need to do my door handles, and that'll be another video coming up in the future. It's quite simple to take the door handles off, it's just a little bit fiddly, and I've got no string to reapply them, but that'll obviously come in keen when I do that video. So when I spray them, I'll be spraying this at the same time. But so simple reinstall, get it lined up. As you can see with these little lugs here, they form into these slots here, and then you just twist it clockwise again. So you put it back to normal. You have to put it on a little bit with a little bit of force. Just try and make it on as even as you can. You know when it goes into the right place. And then just a simple click it back clockwise. I'm going to have to do this with two hands, so bear with me. So yeah, when it's back on, obviously just try and give it a quick twist anti-clockwise again, and yeah, that's it. Simple as that. That was just a pure video demonstration, as I was saying, but very simple thing to do. I'll be spraying that when I order more black and obviously some more gloss, and I'll be spraying my door handles at the same time. So as I was saying, simple job. Obviously I've got to do that another time, but it's just showing other people how to do it. It's a simple 30-second job that can make a big difference to the side profile of your car. So anyway, thanks again for watching my videos. Remember to please like, comment and subscribe. And that video, when I order more paint, I'll do the door handles, of an install of how to remove and install them again. And obviously I'll be spraying my fuel filler cap at the same time. So like I say, thanks again for watching my videos. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and feel free to share with your family and friends. Thanks for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.